Welcome to one more session of maths. We are learning chapter number 6 and theorem 6.6. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we are dealing about the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Okay, so let two triangles to be similar to each other. It's A, B, C, and let it be P, Q, R. Okay. Now, and given these two triangles are similar, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So two triangles are similar. Okay. Now we want to prove that the ratio of their areas, area of ABC upon area of PQR. Ratio of their areas are equal to, ratio of the area is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. AB is corresponds to PQ, BC is corresponds to QR, and AC corresponds to PR. Now we want to prove that ratio of corresponding sides. See, AB upon PQ is a ratio of one corresponding side, and area of both this triangle is equal to square of the ratio of corresponding sides. Okay, so AB upon PQ is the ratio of corresponding side and square of it. So area of these two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Not just one ratio, there are three pairs of corresponding sides. So BC upon QR the whole square, AC upon PR whole square, that we want to prove. Okay, and to give a proof of it, we'll start with the construction that AM is perpendicular to BC and PN is perpendicular to QR. Let AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Okay. Now my friends, we know that area of triangle ABC will be half into base BC into altitude AM. Okay. Similarly, area of triangle PQR will be half into base QR into corresponding altitude PN. Okay, and as we take the ratio of this ratio of the areas of these two triangles, its area of ABC upon area of PQR. Okay, as we take the ratio of areas of these two triangles, we get 1/2 cut. So we get BC upon QR into AM upon PN. Okay, BC into AM upon QR upon into PN. We can also write that BC upon QR into AM upon PN. This is result number 1. Okay, we will use it later on. Now my friend, our target is to establish relation. See, left hand side is here, but we want AB upon PQ the whole square, BC upon QR the whole square, AC upon PR the whole square. So we have to substitute value of AM and PN by BC upon QR or something like that. Okay. Now for that we will prove these two triangles to be similar to each other. Okay. In this triangle we can establish the relation between AB and AM. Okay, AB and AM, PM, PQ and PN. So in triangle in triangle ABM and triangle PQN. Okay, angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? It was given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and that's why corresponding angles are congruent. Moreover, this AMB angle and PNQ angle are right angles. So angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ. They are right angles. Okay. So these angles are common between the two. They are equal because it is given that ABC is similar to triangle PQR. They are corresponding angles of similar triangles, and AMB and PNQ are right angles, and therefore by angle criteria these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. Okay, and therefore it's AA criterion, and therefore we can write that AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PM. This is result number 2. Very good, my friend. Now look at it. Here we are going to use this result later on. We can substitute the value of AM upon PN by AB upon PQ, not BC upon QR. So we also have to look at it. Here we will substitute the value of AB upon PQ. Okay, so here also we have to substitute the value of BC upon QR by AB upon PQ, so that we get AB into AB means AB square, and PQ into PQ is equal to PQ square. So here we will substitute the value of AM upon PN by AB upon PQ using result number 2, and here BC upon QR must be substituted by AB upon PQ, and it is very easy because ABC, PQR, these two are similar triangles, so corresponding ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. This is result number 3. Okay, so look at it. In place of BC upon QR, we can write AB upon PQ. So in this result, using result number 2, I will substitute the value of AM upon PN by AB upon Q and BC upon QR by AB upon Q, so that we get AB upon Q, will get AB square divided by PQ square. So substituting value of second and third result into 1. So we get area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to, so in place of BC upon QR, I will write AB upon PQ. Okay, and in place of AM upon PN, look at it, AM upon PN, I can write AB upon PQ. So it's AB square upon PQ square. Okay, so area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Now in the result 3, it is obvious that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. All this ratio of this corresponding sides are equal. So if AB upon PQ equals this one, so it can also equals AB upon PQ the whole square is equal to BC upon QR the whole square is equal to AC upon PR the whole square. Okay, so this is how we can prove this theorem. Okay, now a ratio of the areas of two similar triangle, दो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल का एरिया का रेशियो उसकी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड के रेशियो के स्क्वायर के बराबर होता है. Okay, area of ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, very good. Now exercise 6.4 question number 1. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If AB is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. Let us draw the figure first. Two triangles are similar. Okay, so ABC is similar to DEF. Okay, ABC similar to triangle DEF. Its area is 64 centimeter square and area of DEF is 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. Now my friends, similarity of triangles and their areas. So area of similar triangles is connected with the theorem 6.6, in which as per theorem 6.6, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their area is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, so here it is, two triangles are similar and the areas are given, and from one pair of corresponding sides, one side is given, the other is required. Very easy. So here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and so as per theorem 6.6, area of ABC upon area of DEF. Okay, a ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So BC upon EF, the whole square. Okay, so area of ABC is 64 centimeter square, area of DEF is 121 centimeter square, BC is not, we have to find it out, and at 15.4 the whole square. So it's 64 upon 121 is equal to BC square upon 15.4 square. So here it will be BC square. Okay, BC square will be 64 into 15 for the whole square. So 64 into 15.4 the whole square divided by 121. Okay, now my friend, taking square both the side, so square root of BC square is BC, square root of 64 is 8, square root of 15.4, square of 15.4 is 1 time 15.4. So square root of 15.4 square is 15.4, and square root of 121 is 11. Okay, square root of 121 is 11. Now my friend, it's 14 into 11, that is 154. 14 into 11 is 154, so it is 15.4. So 1.4 into 11 will be 15.4. Okay, 1.4 into 11, it's 15.4. Now 11 cancel. So BC will be equal to 1.4 into 8. 14 8s are 112 and a point there. So 11.2. Okay, so BC is equal to 11.2. Very good. Now question number 2. Exercise 6.4. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC. एक ट्रापेजियम ABCD में ऑपोजिट साइड्स की एक पेयर ऑपोजिट पैरेलल होती है. इसमें दिया गया है कि AB is parallel to DC and they intersect each other at point O. ओके, डायगोनल्स है वो एक दूसरे को O पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. AB is equal to 2CD means AB is exactly double of CD. Okay, so this is trapezium ABCD. Okay, ABCD. AB is parallel to CD and AB is 2 times of CD. Okay, find the ratio. Now these diagonals intersect each other at point O. Okay, diagonals intersect each other at point O. So diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O if AB is 2 times of CD. Now find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and CAOD. Now my friend, if we want to find out the ratio of the areas of two triangles, it is obvious that it is connected with the theorem 6.6 and the ratio of which two triangles has been asked, they must be proven similar to each other. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल AOB और COD, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर प्रूव होने चाहिए. And it is obvious, my friend, it is obvious that you can see that these two triangles can be proven similar. Look at it, it's a Z shape, so these angles are similar. Okay, so DCA is equal to CAB because they are alternate interior angles formed by transfer AC of two parallel lines DC and AB. So therefore DCO is equal to OAB. Similarly, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, angle COD, angle AOB, these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angle. So by AA criterion, you can prove that triangle AOB, see, A corresponds to C and B corresponds to D. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD, and using this theorem 6.6, that area of ratio of the areas of two similar triangle. Okay, what we have to find out? Find the ratio. So area of AOB upon area of COD will be equal to AB upon CD the whole square. So in place of AB you can write 2CD. Okay, so in place of AB you can write 2CD, and by cancelling it you can find the answer. Okay, so initially what you require to do, that you have, using AA criterion, you have to prove these two triangles to be similar, and then using 6.6 theorem 6.6, you can find the ratio of two similar triangles AOB and COD. Okay, so you can do it by yourself. Very good. Now question number 3, in the figure 6.44. Okay, very good. It's the figure is given here, it is 6.44. ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. Okay, ABC and DBC, look at it, ABC. It's not ABC, my friend, it's ABD. There is a mistake. So ABD and DBC, it's first one ABC and this one DBC. So triangles ABC, ABD and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. दोनों का बेस एक ही है, BC पे है. Okay, BC पे. If AD intersect BC at O, AC intersect. Let me show the figure. It's AD here. Okay, so ABC, it's correct. ABC is DBC. If AD intersect BC at O, show that triangle area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to AO upon DO. Okay, very good. Now my friend, let us find it out. So for that we must have area of ABC and area of DBC. To find the area of ABC, we should have drawn an altitude on base. Okay, so let AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to BC. Okay, so AM perpendicular to BC and DN here, DN perpendicular to BC. Okay, and therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base BC into altitude AM. Okay, and similarly area of triangle DBC is equal to half into base BC into altitude DN. Okay, now if we take the ratio, now area of ABC upon area of DBC, so ratio of the areas of these two triangles, see, we get half cut, BC cut, we get AM upon DN. Okay, this can be the result number 1. So area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to AM upon DN. But my friend, we want, in place of AM and DN, we want AO and DO. Okay, now look at these two triangles. I would like to prove these two triangles to be similar. Okay, now in triangle AMO and triangle DNO, these two triangles can be proven similar using angle criteria. Look at it. AMO and DNO, these two triangles are right angles and that's why they are equal. So angle AMO is equal to angle DNO. Why? They are right angles. They are equal because they are right angles. And look at it. O is AMO and DAOM and DON. These two angles are vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle AOM is equal to angle DON because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, and therefore triangle AMO is similar to triangle DNO using angle criteria. Okay. Now, what's the result? What's the output of two triangles proving two triangles to be similar? It is AM upon the corresponding side, AM upon DN is equal to AO upon DO. Okay, AM upon DN is the ratio of one pair of corresponding side, is equal to AO upon DO is the ratio of the other pair of corresponding sides for two similar triangles. Look at it, it's our result number 2. It's our result number 1. Now look at it, in the result number 1 we'll substitute the value of result number 2 by substituting 2 into 1, we get area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to, in place of AM upon DN, I can write AO upon DO. Okay, here it is. So hence proven. Very good. Question number 4. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. So two triangles areas are equal, that of two similar triangles. So two triangles are similar and their areas are equal. So we need to prove them to be congruent. Okay, so the condition is that it can be ABC and PQR. Okay, what is given here? Two triangles are similar as well as areas are equal. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and triangle area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. Okay, we want to prove them to be congruent. To prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, now proof. Now look at it, area of ABC is equal to area of PQR. It is given. It's given. So the ratio of the areas will be 1. Area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to 1. Okay, if values are same, the ratio will be 1. Okay, now my friend, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, isn't it? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and therefore as per this theorem, area of ABC upon area of PQR will be AB upon PQ, the whole square is equal to BC upon QR, the whole square is equal to AC upon PR, the whole square. So as per theorem 6.6, area of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, and now look at it, area upon ABC upon area upon PQ is equal to 1. So 1 equals AB upon PQ, the whole square is equal to BC upon QR, the whole square is equal to AC upon PR, the whole square. Now taking square root of both the side, सभी का स्क्वायर रूट ले लेते हैं, तो 1 का स्क्वायर रूट 1 इज इक्वल टू AB अपन PQ, क्योंकि उसका स्क्वायर रूट है तो स्क्वायर निकाल दो तो उसका स्क्वायर रूट हो गया, इज इक्वल टू BC अपन QR इज इक्वल टू AC अपन PR. Okay, and it ends up that AB upon PQ is equal to 1. Therefore, AB is equal to PQ. BC upon QR is equal to 1. That means that BC is equal to QR and AC upon PR is equal to 1, it means that AC is equal to PR. Now in these two triangles, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and ACF is equal to PR. So as per SSS criterion of congruence, SSS criterion of congruence, these two triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR as per SSS congruence. Okay, very good. Now question number 5. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. So ABC ट्राइंगल की साइड्स AB, BC और CA का रिस्पेक्टिवली मिड पॉइंट्स है D, E and F. AB का मिड पॉइंट D, BC का मिड पॉइंट E और AC का मिड पॉइंट F. ओके, दिस इज ट्राइंगल ABC and E is the midpoint of AB. Sorry, D is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of CA. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. So DEF, so ये दोनों ट्राइंगल, look at it, this is a triangle formed by joining the midpoint of three sides of a triangle. ट्राइंगल, ओरिजिनल ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड के मिड पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करके हमने ये ट्राइंगल बनाया है. तो ये ट्राइंगल और ओरिजिनल ट्राइंगल ABC दोनों के एरियाज का रेशियो चाहिए. सो इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल्स, देन एज पर थ्योरम नंबर 6.6 इट नीड टू बी सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. ये दोनों का अगर सिमिलर है तभी हम इसका एरिया का रेशियो फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Okay, so we have to prove these two triangles to be similar. Okay, now you know that in the earlier standard, standard 9, we come across one theorem that the side joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and has the length half of the third side. Triangle की किसी दो साइड का मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करता हुआ जो लाइन सेगमेंट है वो तीसरी साइड को पैरेलल होता है और तीसरी साइड से आधा भी होता है. ओके, सो DF है और AB और AC के मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करते हुआ लाइन सेगमेंट है, तो वो तीसरी साइड BC को पैरेलल भी होगा और तीसरी साइड BC से आधा भी होगा. ओके, सिमिलरली DE है, वो तीसरी साइड AC बनेगी उसके लिए, सो DE विल बी हाफ ऑफ AC. एंड सिमिलरली EF है, EF, so EF is parallel to AC and EF is half of AC. So DE and F are respectively midpoints of sides AB, BC, CA of triangle ABC. तो क्या होगा, DF is half of BC. DF है वो BC को पैरेलल भी है, उसका आधा भी है. DF is half of BC. सिमिलरली EF वो AB को पैरेलल होगा और EF है वो AB को आधा होगा. सो EF is half of AB. ओके, EF है वो AB के आधा होगा. सिमिलरली DE है वो AC को पैरेलल भी होगा और DE है वो AC का आधा भी होगा. सो DE is half of AC. Okay, now we can moving BC toward the left hand side, AB here and AC here, we get DF upon BC is equal to EF upon AB is equal to DE upon AC is equal to half. तीनों की वैल्यू, तीनों रेशियो की वैल्यू सेम होगी और 1/2 होगी. तो लुक एट इट, डी एफ अपन बी सी इज इक्वल टू ई एफ अपन ए बी इज इक्वल टू डी ई अपन ए सी। ऊपर वाली तीन साइड ट्राइंगल डी एफ की है, नीचे वाली तीन साइड ट्राइंगल ए बी सी की है, यानी ये दो ट्राइंगल ए बी सी और डी एफ की तीनों कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का रेशियो इक्वल हो गया। ओके, तो ये दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो गए। ओके, देयरफॉर ट्राइंगल डी ई एफ इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल डैश डैश डैश। ओके, कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस हम सोच के बाद में लिखेंगे, ए बी सी आता है ये सही नहीं है। सी लुक एट इट, डी एफ, इस दोनों रेशियो से हम कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस तय कर पाएंगे। डी एफ अपन बी सी इज इक्वल टू ई एफ अपन ए बी, तो यहाँ पे दो एफ है, ओके, यहाँ पे दो बी है, सो एफ विल कॉरस्पॉन्ड, एफ दो टाइम है, नीचे दो बी दो टाइम है, सो एफ विल कॉरस्पॉन्ड टू बी, F will correspond to B. F here third. Okay. Now if F corresponds to B, then D corresponds to C. D corresponds to C. And if F corresponds to B, then E corresponds to A. E corresponds to A. So D, E, F similar to C, A, B. And one more thing, my friend, there will be a cross correspondence will be there. D corresponding to C, E corresponding to A, and F corresponding to B. Okay, and so therefore the area of DEF upon area of ABC is equal to DF upon BC the whole square, क्योंकि ये कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का रेशियो है ना। सो डी एफ अपन ए बी इज इक्वल टू 1/2 द होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1/4। ओके, सो द एरिया ऑफ डी ई एफ इज टू एरिया ऑफ ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू 1:4। ओके, सो डी एफ और ए बी सी के एरियाज का रेशियो वो होगा 1:4। ओके, वेरी गुड।